The Spring tool suite is an Eclipse-based development environment that is customized for developing Spring applications. It provides a ready-to-use environment to implement, debug, run and deploy your Spring applications, including integrations for Pivotal TC Server, Pivotal Cloud Foundry, Git, Maven, Aspect-J, and comes on top of the latest Eclipse releases. Included with the Spring tool suite is the developer edition of Pivotal TC Server, the drop-in replacement for Apache Tomcat that's optimized for Spring. With the Spring Insight Console, TC Server Developer Edition provides a graphical real-time view of application performance metrics that lets developers identify and diagnose problems from their desktops. The Spring tool suite supports application targeting the local, virtual, and cloud-based servers. It's freely available for development and internal business operations used with no time limits, fully open source and licensed under terms of the Eclipse public license. The Spring tool suite provides the best Eclipse-powered development environment for building Spring-powered enterprise applications. STS supplies tools for all the latest enterprise Java and Spring and comes on top of the latest Eclipse releases. Included with the Spring tool suite is the developer edition of Pivotal TC Server, the drop-in replacement for Apache Tomcat that's optimized for Spring. With the Spring Insight Console, TC Server Developer Edition provides a graphical real-time view of application performance metrics that lets developers identify and diagnose problems from their desktops. The Spring tool suite supports application targeting the local, virtual, and cloud-based servers. It's freely available for development and internal business operations used with no time limits, fully open source and licensed under terms of the Eclipse public license. STS provides the following Spring application tools: Spring Project Bin and XML file widgets, Spring 3.1 support including annotation type configuration and annotation type bin as well as the bin profiles, advanced code completion, content asset validation and quick fix support, refactoring support for Spring XML and annotation type configuration, graphical Spring configuration editor, Spring Webflow, Spring Batch, and Spring integration visual development tools, Spring Rule project wizard and development shell, Spring application blueprints and best practice validation, flexible deployment targets, support for all the most common Java EE application servers, advanced support for Pivotal TC Server, full IDE integration for Cloud Foundry, including real debugging in the cloud,